Hey everybody, it's Joseph here. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a question for you. How many times did you come across an influencer marketing campaign where your favorite influencer is advertising something and you're asking to yourself, well, that's way too good to be true. That's because it is. And in today's video, I am breaking down the top 5 influencer scam you should never try. Keep watching. Here we are, you are watching Joe TV, and if you're new to my channel, welcome and nice to meet you. My name is Joseph Rebelli. I am a marketing and branding coach and founder of Rebelli Digital, a marketing agency where we transform small and medium-sized businesses into digitally social brands. In this channel, you're going to find social media marketing tips and hacks, and occasionally we're going to spill the tea on the latest scam online. So if you are interested, hit the button subscribe, give me a little thumbs up if you like the jacket, and turn on the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 influencer scam you should never try. Influencer marketing is a multi-million-dollar machine, and I kind of have to say I've been in both sides of the game, right? I've been the brand that was looking for influencers to work with when I was working in my corporate job, and then I've been the influencer that brands were looking for when I started to work for myself and work as a creator. So now as an agency, we are the middle people. So we match the right influencers with the right brands. So it's really interesting when I see fake campaign and fake advertising, because it really touched me and it really does annoy me. So that's why I'm breaking it down for you. Position number 5, we have the tummy tea. Now, you've probably seen this campaign everywhere. From Kim Kardashian to Kylie Jenner to Kylie B, they are all advertising this tea, which is claiming to make you lose so much weight within a few weeks and really kind of get rid of all the harmful bacteria that are present on your body. Where is the catch? Now, the problem with this tea is not the essential diarrhea side effect, if you will, but it's all the other side effects that this tea do. Now, there isn't any detox tea in the market that is able to get rid of all the harmful bacteria in your body. The only thing that you can do is to get rid of these bacteria through a very clean diet. The problem when you're drinking this tea is that you have to be close to a toilet, and with specifically this particular tea, customer claimed that the problem has been from the irregular cycle on a woman, headaches, and having really bad stomachache. So if you want to lose weight, go to the gym, have a really good personal trainer, have a clean diet, and don't really drink this rubbish. Position number 4 is Sugar Bear Hair. Now, if you are someone interested in beauty and makeup, you've probably seen this advertised quite a lot. The most famous influencers that are advertising these products are James Charles, Kylie Jenner. Everybody went through the Sugar Bear Hair campaign, right? And what this brand is claiming to do is to really help you to grow a healthier hair and to get a clearer skin. Now, the branding behind Sugar Bear Hair is very clever in the sense that they are targeting very young demographic with a very funky packaging, and potentially anybody that is not comfortable to swallow pills, they will find these little gummies very comfortable to eat, therefore they will take the tablets. Well, the catch is that this particular product in terms of benefit doesn't really have any more benefit than a normal multivitamin. The only reason why they charge you so much money for it is because of a very clever branding and because of influencer marketing. So this product also has a lot of claim from influencers themselves that stopped collaborating with this brand, because actually the situation with acne and stronger hair is not happening. Lots of people claim that they actually have more acne when they take the pill. As soon as they stop, the acne goes. So Sugar Bear Hair is a huge scam in terms of delivery. Position number 3 is the fake giveaways. Now, these are very, very popular on Instagram. When a brand partner with an influencer with a giveaway, is normally to just grow their audience together. What they do, they give a product as a prize, and in line for you to participate, you have to comment and tag your friends on the comments below the post. Where is the scam? The scam is normally there is a very low chance that a winner will ever be announced, so you're never gonna win anything. And there is a specific brand which has been in trouble because they were claiming to give away Louis Vuitton bags, and what happens is nobody ever win anything. So be super careful with the giveaway. How can you spot a fake giveaway? Now, fake giveaways are normally with a very low number of following in the page. They have very bad typo mistakes on the content, and they also have a very inconsistent posting on the page. I normally would recommend to never jump into this trend because it's just a number of comments where people just tag one another, and normally once the giveaway is finished, people stop following this account because they become spamming, so just avoid it. Position number 2 is meal replacement shakes. Now, I don't actually have any problem with the meal replacement shake itself. What I have an issue with is the way they get advertised. Now, I disagree completely when people claim that you only need a meal replacement shake to be okay during your workout and you don't actually have to eat. And this is normally the delivery that comes across the advert that you see on Instagram. Do you agree with me? Give me a little thumbs up if you do. Now, loads of influencers claim that they only drink a meal replacement shake to be okay. Now, we live in a time and place where each and everyone is promoting a really good diet and exercise, right? And in the era of social media, I am sure that at least once in your lifetime, you look at somebody that is a fitness influencer and you wish you look like them. Give me a little thumbs up if you have, be honest. And you know, this is great. However, when it comes to advertising a product, what I have an issue with is when there is a fake message behind it. When you have a huge platform such as Khloe Kardashian or Kylie Jenner, and you are advertising a product saying that you only need that product during the day to be okay, you basically are promoting a epidemic of body dysmorphia and food disorder. So this is where I disagree. But in terms of the way the replacement shake works, I don't have any problem with it. So I decided to kind of put it into the list. Let me know on the comments below what you think about this. And position number 1, we have my favorite, which is the black charcoal toothpaste. Now, give me a little thumbs up if you at least once seen this advert on your Instagram. I'm sure you have. It's full of zombies coming into your feed, brushing their teeth, looking like mad people. I just find it really funny. You know, they claiming that this toothpaste makes your teeth super white. Now, where is the catch? Where is the scam? Researchers show that the charcoal toothpaste doesn't actually have any impact whatsoever on the whitening level of your teeth. Now, the way this works, however, is really abrasive to your dentin, which is the natural protection of your teeth. And once you remove that, you are exposing your teeth to bigger damage in the future. So be extremely careful with this. And if you want any treatment to whiten your teeth, just go to your dentist and get a whitening treatment. Yes, it's expensive, but at least it works. Now, I really want to hear from you. Have you seen any of these adverts before? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to jump into conversation, and subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and I will see you same time, same place next week. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, ciao.